Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to share with you how I make this amazing oil by using avocado leaves. So here I've already raised the leaf. Then let me just take my knife. Then I will just to slice it before I will blend the leaf. Can see I have already sliced the leaf. Then I will carry my blender. This is my oil. See, I don't have measurement for this oil. You just use your eyes to just measure the oil. So I will pour the oil inside to blend the leaf. Okay. Then after I don't blend the leaf, I will take my spatula to check whether it's okay like this. So then I will take it. So I have a little glove here. Then if you like, you can also blend it with avocado leaf. I say no, I will not blend mine. Then let me just add it like this. So I will still stir it with the leaf. Then I come and arrange my pot well. So see, the oil is ready. Then I will still take my spatula to see whether if the oil don't cool down totally. Then before I will take my filter to separate the oil. Then I will use my spatula to just press it down. It also get to the point where I use my hand to squeeze it so that the oil will come out well. So let me explain where I got this leaf. I got it from my guidey. You guys know we are in the winter now. I say before this leaf will start to dey dry or fall it down, then let me just take some and make this oil. So this oil come out so well. I will take this bowl here, then press this my hair net. I will still turn the oil inside here, inside the net, so that those lumps will get out inside. Do you see the down of the oil? That is the reason I use this hair net, to separate it again. So my people, how do you see this oil? The oil come out so well, very beautiful at this point. If you have any capsule oil you want to add it, so you can also add it. For me, I will not add any oil again. The oil is so natural. I just like the perfume of the oil. Then I will still turn it inside this small jug here. Let me tell you the benefits of using avocado oil. It helps hair growth, moisturize hair very well, reduce dandruff. It will also add extra shine to your hair, glow, repair hair damage and hair loss, improve your scalp health. Then I will take the oil, pour it inside this small rubber bottle, so that anytime I want to make use of the oil, it will so very easy for me. So I will cover it. Do you see that my oil is ready? Then I will just keep this oil for cold place. So before I will use this my oil, do you see that this my oil come out well, oh, very beautiful. Then before I will use this oil, I will that day when I make this video, this is my first time to have a bath in bedroom. I will also wash my hair before I will add this oil. This product when I did show, so they not pay me for it too. So now this product I think they wash my hair, even my daughter hair, and I also use other products. Okay, then I will wash the hair with this my shampoo. Then I will raise the shampoo out before I will add my hair condition. Yes guys, that day when I do this video for my when I dey bath for my bedroom, I dey fear. I say, Rita, take care, oh, just take care, make dem no go see your something no. Then I will comb the hair out before I will raise the hair. Then so just follow me, may we do this video to the end. As you can see, I'm already washed the hair. I will use this my hair brush to comb the hair out before I will apply my oil. So this is the oil we make earlier. For my new subscriber, thank you for watching my video. So you will help me share this video to your family and your friend. I can will say this, I still be new YouTuber. Don't lose the subscribe, oh. Don't just lose that subscribe. I still be new YouTuber. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao ciao.